Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. Are you facing a problem where links are not opening on WhatsApp? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Firstly, open the settings app on your device. Now, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now, click on WhatsApp. Tap on storage and cache. Now, tap on clear cache. And after this, go back to the previous page. Now scroll down and click on the open by default option and tap on the toggle against open supported links to turn it on, and after this go back to the home page. Now open the Play Store app. At the bottom tap on the search icon and search for WhatsApp. Now update it if not, and yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.